Alex, we have to do some grocery shopping today. We're running low on a few things.
Really? What's on the list?
Let me see. Milk, eggs, bread, apples, chicken, and vegetables.
Got it. Also, don't forget Jessica's wedding next week. We still don't have anything to wear.
I know. We really need to pick our outfits today.
All right, let's head out and get everything done in one go.
Let's start with the produce section.
How many apples do we need?
Let's get the whole box. Emma and I wanted to bake some apple pie, and they also look nice and fresh. Next, veggies. We'll grab some eggplant and carrots. Okay, next is milk and eggs.
Do you prefer low-fat or full-fat milk?
Low fat, please. Great. Now, let's get some chicken.
Here we go.
Perfect. Just bread left now.
Whole grain or white bread?
Whole grain, it's healthier. That's everything. Let's go to checkout.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $45.30. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Time to dress up.
Hello, can I help you find anything today?
Yes, please. We're attending a wedding next week and need some formal clothes and shoes.
Certainly, follow me.
Mia, what do you think about this suit?
It looks fantastic. That's perfect for the wedding.
Great. I'll take this one. Let's go find you a dress.
How about this one? It's quite elegant.
It's beautiful. You'll look great in that.
I'll take this dress, please.
Wonderful. Now let's find matching shoes.
I need something comfortable but formal. I think these go perfectly with my suit.
And I think these match my dress very well.
Excellent choice. Let's head to the counter. Here are your items. Your total is $250. How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Great, thank you. Enjoy the wedding.
Thanks. Have a great day.
Finally, we finished shopping for groceries and wedding clothes.
Yeah, we're all set now. Let's put everything away and relax a bit.
Good idea. Shopping can be exhausting.
And that wraps up another fun animation journey in Language Leap. If you enjoyed this video, remember to watch it a few times and practice with it throughout the week to keep your English skills at their best. The journey of language learning is full of adventure and joy, so embrace every moment and keep going with all your energy. And finally, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts about this video in the comments. And if you have ideas for future topics, let me know down below. Your feedback really helps shape the next lessons.